When someone sells their company, there is one thing that everybody wants to know but is too afraid to ask. How much money did you walk away with, and where did the rest of the money go? Recently, I was lucky enough to sell my company, and so I'm going to break it all down for you. Just to set the stage a bit, this common idea that it's rude to talk about money is just pure BS. It is essential that you understand the financial mechanics of these deals, particularly if you are an entrepreneur from a non-traditional or non-finance background. Because if you don't understand, you will be at a big disadvantage if you get the opportunity to sell your company one day. You could, for example, underestimate the deal fees and the taxes that you're going to have to pay. And in the end, find yourself with less money than you need to retire comfortably if that's what you want to do. Which is why I think we all should be talking about the money aspects of these deals more, not less, even when it makes people uncomfortable. So let's look at the numbers. In 2022, Boardroom Insiders sold for $25 million, which is public information. So where did all that money go? As you would expect, most of it went to our shareholders. I was the majority shareholder, so I got just under $13 million. The other shareholders received a total of $9.5 million. These were people who gave us seed money at the beginning of the company or traded their labor for equity early on. And remember, we only raised a total of about $200,000. So the shareholders got $22.5 million. What happened to the other $2.5 million? Our M&A firm got a little over $1 million. Our lawyers got $200,000 and our accountants $51,000. These are the types of deal fees you can expect to see on a transaction of this size. And believe me, these people earn their money. You do not want to do a deal without them. We had also put in place a phantom equity plan for our employees that said if we did a transaction, every vested employee would receive a check. At the time of the deal, we had 13 vested employees who together received a total of $800,000. Individual amounts were based on seniority and each person's contribution to the business. Now, let's talk taxes. I've been paying tax on this transaction for nearly 2 years, and I just got the final numbers last week. So remember, I received just under $13 million, and when all was said and done, I paid $3.8 million in federal and state taxes, which adds up to about 30%. So after all the fees and taxes, I personally walked away with about $9 million on a $25 million sale of a company that I founded in 2008 and ran for 14 years. That's it. Those are the numbers. And I hope you agree, as an entrepreneur, we should all be talking about money more, not less. Information like this is powerful and can help us all be more successful. Follow me for more content like this.